Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to crochet this Tunisian knitting method. In Tunisian knitting we have both combination of crochet as well as knitting. From backside it looks like this. With the help of Tunisian technique you can knit any project like sweaters, caps, shawls, jackets, baby blankets, giant sweaters. This is basic stitch for beginners. Instead of cast on, in Tunisian we need to take required chains and then pick up stitches from every chain. Here I have made some rows. Let us continue now. Pick up stitch from every loop like this. Pick stitches from every loop till the end of the row. Pick up stitches from front loop like this. Complete the row by picking up stitches. Now let us see how to end this row. Pick last stitch and then pick 2 loops to get finishing of edge. This is edge stitch. In this Tunisian technique we need to take one chain at the end and then 2 at a time. Like this. Again 2 stitches at a time. We have to close the stitches. Close all the stitches in the reverse order until you have closed the first stitch. If you like my video then please like and share it. If you are visiting my channel for the first time then subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Thank you for